Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to replace space with hyphen in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Microsoft Excel software, or then you open your spreadsheet. Now you can see here are my sheet. Now I replace space with hyphen in this sheet. At first, you have to select a row or a column. I select a column to drag on your mouse. Then go to home menu, then click find and select, then click replace. Now for you have an interface on replace. Find what is space, press space on your keyboard, then replace with hyphen, press hyphen on your keyboard. Now click find next, then then click replace. Now you can see I replace space with hyphen in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.